There.
Smile.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
She even has the professional floppy.
Good little fit.
She
Oh.
got a nice smile on her face for that one.
She does. She says I can chill out now.
Yeah, she can read books.
Hey, she looks like she's
Aurora, you can sit in your chair
That's like, you know, they talk
and you
about
can read a book in your chair.
grandson, Hayes.
Now she uses the
Doesn't
meerschaum
smile.
pipe or
She
something.
even made the comment.
What's the doggy say?
He doesn't smile much.
What's the fishy do?
Yeah.
What's the goat say?
know.
That's right.
Oh, yes,
What's the lion say?
Wow.
That's right.
Whoa.
He's like a horse.
That's
Yeah.
almost a throne. That's so big.
Oh, what does the horse say? That's what you just said. Oh, he's a birdie. What's the bird say?
Tweet, tweet.
That's right, it's a froggy.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a little tiger.
Tiger said.
Yeah, kitty meows. What's the chicken say? That's right.
She got the chicken game.
What's the chimp
She
do?
even does her arms.
Yeah, the chimp slams on the ground.
Yeah.
That's right. Oh, and he gets the armpit. What's the cow say? Oh. What's the elephant do? That's right.
Chicks.
It's an owl. Yeah.
Pretty good at this game.
What's the bear say? Yeah, the bee says I'm icky. That's right.
Lee says,